In this video I'm going to show you how to use your USB microphone and an external hardware mixer and mix the two together in Windows so you can port them into a program like Skype or Vidblaster or something like that that only accepts one device as its source input for audio. So there is a way to do it. You can see here I've got one camera above showing you the laptop that I'm using in the mixer. I've got a camera here to the side which is showing the inputs to the computer. So what we're going to do to get started is you need to download a program called Voicemeeter. So open up your web browser. I don't know the address off the top of my head, but I'm just going to search for Voicemeeter with 2 E's. VB Audio, that's it. And there we go, Voicemeeter. So it's free to download, it doesn't cost you anything. It is donationware, and I strongly suggest if you use this program, you do make a small donation because it is extremely good. The people that have made this program certainly deserve to be rewarded for their effort. It's a great piece of software. So you can download it free from their website. Once you've downloaded it and installed it, it's going to want to reboot your system because it installs some virtual device drivers. So you need to reboot so they can register in your system and be ready to use. So once you've rebooted, open up your VB Audio, open up the Voicemeeter folder and open Voicemeeter. And here it is. What a cool looking program. I've just opened the home page by accident, but that's okay, we can close out of that. So to get started, what we need to do is, we'll go back to Vidblaster so you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to plug in my USB microphone on the side there, and I'm also going to take, I'll just move to this camera, I've got a cord here that's coming out of the back of the mixer, which I'm going to now plug in to the line in on my computer, which is not that one, that one. Okay, so now that I've got everything plugged in, we can have a look at Voicemeeter here. So I'm going to go to the hardware input for channel number 1, and I'm going to select my USB microphone, C-Media USB device, that's it there. And you can see that that's working. The VU meter's moving here, it's picking up sound. For channel 2, I'm going to select my line in, which is that one. Okay, you can see that that's working already. I'll just turn the volume down here. For our main output, going to our speakers, it's already selected that by default, and you can see there that the sound for both channels is passing through to our virtual device, the virtual out, which is what we want here. I've got A on track 1 muted, well not selected, because if I was to select that, it would pass the sound throughout to the speakers and it would create a loop, a feedback loop. So I've left that unchecked for the moment. So everything looks to be doing what it's supposed to be doing there. So now we can go into, let's say, Skype. And we will select the Voicemeeter output as our virtual input. So in audio settings, you can see there we wanted our Voicemeeter output, which is that one. So you can see that the VU meter is responding to my voice, and if I put the music back up, there you go. So you can see that it's all working nicely there in Skype, mixed together quite nicely. And if you want to adjust any of your settings, you can do so here. You can pull either channel up or down. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can mix your USB mic and an external mixer into one channel and use it through a virtual machine in Skype or Vidblaster.